Okay. So with the pop example, we were able to populate the array, and we call the array underscore pop, which is a built-in function. We gave it the array. It was able to take the last and first out item out, and we pushed that item into a variable fruit, which displayed that for us that it is mango. And the remaining array is what we displayed on the line after, and that showed only orange and apple are left. So we will now move on to array push. So now array push stack pineapple. We would like to push that. As a result, we'll now be able to see that we have orange, apple, mango, and then we were able to push in pineapple. So it was added towards the end, not in the beginning, but towards the end, because it appends to the list. So it always adds it to the end. So it works like a stack, though, with the last and first out option. That's a push pop operation.